Hey everyone, I'm Dave, the Notion coach, and very excited about this video. Going to keep it pretty short, but we're going to look at Notion's new side peek view. Very excited for this one. If you use databases a lot, you'll notice that, or you'll know that when you open a page, we have that pop-up kind of modal view where it doesn't open full screen by default. Could be kind of frustrating at times, especially if you want to see a page full width, or if you want to see a page side by side next to a database. So this update not only adds the side peek feature, but allows you to customize by database what view you want to default to. Some databases you might want to open full page by default. Some pages you want to have that side peek and quickly scan pages within a database. So we're going to take a look at how that works. And also some details that we may not have considered that'll change or maybe affect what defaults you use. So if we take a look at this areas page, so this is a gallery view of an areas database of my personal workspace. So if we open up this one of these, you'll notice that the side peek is on by default. So just to kind of dive into what's happening here, we're opening this page side by side. It's kind of overlaid over the previous page. But if we have a window that's, say, on a tablet or an iPad, or you've got your browser window that's not open full width or the full screen, what may happen is if we expand the sidebar, let's say we widen this a little bit, and then we have that side peek turned on, what's going to happen is we're going to lose that sidebar. So there's a couple ways around that. The easiest being making sure that the window's kind of full width or, full page. Or if we still are not crazy about the side peek and want to default to a few other options, you do have the option to go back to that center peek option, which was the default up until this update. Or we have the full page, which is also great for database pages where we're treating these more as dashboards and want to have these open full page by default. But those changes from here will only affect the view that one time, so that won't necessarily change the defaults for how pages open. So the way to do that is if we go into switch mode and edit view default, here's where we'll set the defaults for this database. So in this case, let's say we want to open center peek by default. Now all of these pages within this database will open with that center peek. So just a quick update in terms of how that works. Let me know what you think of the new side peek feature. I'm definitely defaulting to from here on out for most, if not all, the databases, but curious to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments, and otherwise, see you in the next video.